Hedgehog Awareness Week takes place every year, and this year it runs from the 30th of April to the 6th of May. The event aims to highlight the issues and problems hedgehogs are facing and to educate and inform the public on how we can help to save and protect them. There are many small and simple actions that we can take to help protect these wonderful solitary creatures. There are also further measures involving hedgehog-friendly features that can be added to make areas more inviting for hedgehogs. To help you and your children celebrate Hedgehog Awareness Week, we've collated some of our favourite resources where you can find the links to them in the description below.